back to my channel. My name is Tyler Cheeks. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm recording from my iPad because yeah, I got a new phone and I want to unbox it and I want to show y'all. So typically I will record all of my videos from my iPhone, but yeah, we're just gonna do a little unboxing and everything like that. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. I've had this phone for 24 hours now. I got it yesterday and I really love it. I'm excited. And yeah, okay, so the phone I came from was the iPhone 11. I had the purple iPhone 11, the regular one. But this time around I got the iPhone Pro Max. Yeah, I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So what it came with was this rope plug, and yeah, so here is the phone. This is my phone. I really love it. It's blue. So okay, I think I got the blue color. Yeah, I got the blue color. I'm not gonna take the case off because actually, hold on, I can take the case off. Yeah, okay, so this is what it looks. I broke my nail going bowling. I went on a bowling day and yeah, I broke my nail, but I'm gonna reapply it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the back of the phone. I got a matte screen protector because I wanted a matte screen protector. I like the way my screen protector on my iPad feels and looks, so I wanted that same feel. So I went ahead and got a matte screen protector, and my case came with a camera protector, so I have that on there. And my case also, this case also came with a screen protector, but I didn't know that when I had purchased it, or else I would have just used that one. But I probably would have switched over to a matte case anyway. I mean, I probably would have switched over to a matte screen. I would have switched over to a matte screen protector anyway. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really nice and really cute. I got my case from Amazon. I will link it in my Amazon storefront if anybody is interested in this case. But this is a really nice durable case. I really like it. And it definitely works for me. The only thing I have to get used to is the fact that my phone is big as hell now. Yeah, it's not small, so I have to get used to that. Oh, I also want to show y'all my mama's case. She got the whites, but her phone hasn't came yet, so I just want to show y'all my mama's case that she decided to order. And then I'm gonna put the screen protector that came with this phone case, I'm gonna put that on her phone. So yeah, hold on, let me get it. Y'all probably saw my booty in the air, but that's fine. Okay, so this is my mama's case. She got this, excuse me, this is my mama's case. She's very picky and selective about her shit. Like, she's just a my mama is just picky as fuck. So this is the case that she decided to get. She's also gonna get another case, but this one is just for when she just wants to carry her phone and her cards. But she's also gonna get like a regular case. So I'm just gonna put my phone in here to show y'all how it looks. And yeah, real cute. This is very practical, especially if you're going to, like, you know, you're just going to the grocery store, or you're just doing like a run and you don't really want to take a purse, but you need cards and your license and shit like that. This is definitely a good case, and you can wear it crossbody, and you can also wear it as a wristlet as well. So yeah, this is what my mom's phone is gonna look like, except the back is gonna be white. Easy card access, really cute. And yeah, I actually like this one. I'm probably gonna get a wallet case too, cause sometimes I just don't be feeling like carrying a purse, or you know, yeah. So I feel like I'm gonna get a wallet case at some point, so I can change phone cases. But yeah, oh shit. But yeah, so how I put it in, I love the matte screen protector. It's so cute. So how I put it in, I put it in from the bottom first. And then bam, it is on. So this is the silence button and the ringer button. So basically you turn it on and you just hold it down and it goes to silent, or it'll go to ring. That's a really, really nice feature. I just love my phone. I love my phone. I love my phone. I'm still learning like some of the stuff to do on it, and like the little shortcuts and shit. But for the most part, I love my phone. It was easy to set up too. All you gotta do. You remember back in the day how you used to have to go to the T-Mobile store to set up your phone, or you used to have to call to set up your phone? Well, I set up my phone with my other phone. The process was very easy. Yeah, I really love the bigger screen. Like I said, I have to get used to it being in my hand. But overall, I really, really love my phone. I really love my phone. If y'all want to see the like pure unboxing, that is on my TikTok. I unboxed it on TikTok. So yeah, so let me talk about all the complications that I had with this phone. I ordered my phone back in September, basically, right? And they said 2-day shipping. It'll be here like that, right? I got my phone October. I got my phone yesterday. What was yesterday? I ordered my phone September. I ordered my phone like early September. I got my phone October 11th. I got my phone October 10th, which was yesterday. I don't know what they was doing with it, but yeah. Anyway, cause first they was like, "Oh, we canceled your order," and then they was like, "Oh, your phone is on back order." And I'm like, bro, what the fuck? My mom still hasn't got her phone, and we ordered our phones at the same time. So it's October 11th. My mama still hasn't received her phone. Like, what y'all doing? But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. This is the box. Really, really cute. I like the charging cable. It's a rope. Can you see? Yeah, the charging cable is a rope, and it's not like the regular Apple, and it's this kind of charger, not the regular Apple charger. It's this kind. So like if you have an iPad, you're familiar with that charger, or if you have like one of the latest iPhones, you're familiar with that charger. But yeah, I am happy. I love my phone. Coming from my iPhone 11, yeah. So we're just gonna see what recording on this looks like, and yeah. All right, so I'm about to close this video out on my on my phone. So I'm gonna record, because like I said, I am a content creator. I do film content, and I film with my phone. So I don't have a camera, and I don't really feel the need to get a camera. I'm paying all this damn money for devices and shit. I should need a camera, if you will. Okay, so I'm gonna close the video out on my. Okay, y'all. So this is the quality. I just decided to put my little TikTok clip in here because yeah, the clip that I had actually recorded got deleted, and I was just like, all right, I'm just trying to get this video out quick. But yeah, y'all, I really love the quality of my new phone. Here it is. I just love it so much. And yeah, y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. And make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. And just make sure you invest in yourself. You feel me? It's okay to invest in yourself to make your shit come true. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Bye guys. I love you all so much.